Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to trim a video clip on your PlayStation 5 so it's easier to share with your friends on your PS5. So just hold down the share button, go on over to your video clip, and then there's going to be an option to edit right here. Just select this, and then the first option is set trim. So set the beginning of the trim and the end. So find the location of where all the action is at the start. So maybe like right here. We'll start here, and you can see it's grayed out on the left. And then we want to find the end location, maybe like right here. Press X again and go to end here. Then press square to save. And usually I just go to replace original. It's going to get rid of the old clip and just keep the new clip. Or you can go to save as new, and then it will save the other clip as well. So if I go to replace original, only keep this clip here. Then I can go to done. And then I can go to share if I want to share it to YouTube real quick. So I have a YouTube channel just for my saved clips that I upload to. Or you can share it to one of your group chats or to someone on here. So it's very easy to trim it using these quick little edit options on here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.